top of this hill, which was the only site that our radio stations, like Randy mentioned, can transmit and reach every corner of Palau. And I'm talking the farthest state, which is Toby and Sonsoro, that they're more than 100 miles away from here. To really show our sincere appreciation for Japan government, Ambassador Karasawa, and your people, for a long time you have shown Palau and the rest of the sub-region your generosity and your commitment to make sure the livelihood of our people can go on with the best technology to help us further our ways of living.
And one of the most important one is, as we call it, LNOB, leave no one behind. And it's one of the biggest and largest developmental goals that you don't really want to leave anyone behind. So if you have, for instance, a good life in one location, a relatively good life in one location, if somebody lives in outer islands, so we don't really want them to be left behind. And some of the benefits that we are trying to get and achieve through our programming or other development initiatives that government or development partners do, they really want to make sure that everyone is involved. And communication is like a basic element of that, right?
And I remember the speech made by your President Whips in the beginning of the conference. He mentioned the Typhoon Srige in Palau, which came April last year. It caused, of course, extensive damage, I remember very well. And this taught us a lesson about the importance of disaster preparedness.